Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and they're not going to get sick of me because I'm going to be posting videos because I missed everybody so much. So today I have another unboxing for you. This is from Joann's. They had some new yarn. Do you guys want to look at it? Because I love to keep everybody up to date on all the new yarns wherever I can find them. So it's Joann's, huge Joann's box. And it's a box with inside of a box. Inside of a box. No, I'm just kidding. A couple boxes inside of a big box. Let's check it out. I love seeing new yarn. I love it. So this new yarn was from their Big Twist brand. I think Big Twist. Big Twist. Okay, it is. So why don't we start with this one right here. Now this is their Big Twist Christmas yarn. Now they did have this last year, but they actually got some new colors in it this year, which is always exciting. New colors. So it's their Big Twist holiday yarn. And right now at the making of the video, which is 11/18/2021, it's on sale for $4.99. So let's look at it. I do have some of the colors that they had from last year. They got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. Some of them for last year and some of them were new. This is one of their new colors. This one is Big Twist Winter. Well, let's read about it so you see what it looks like worked up there. It's very pretty, but it reminds me of another yarn that I have in this room at this moment. I'll show it to you in a second. I run across that from time to time. That yarns are exactly the same, but just different labels slapped on them. I'll show you in a minute. Anyways, this one is classified as a super bulky number 6. Yes, I agree with that. Smells clean. I like that. Smells clean. Feels good. What more can you ask for? Good price. Not a bad price anyways. It's made in Turkey, and Big Twist is Joann's brand, so that is the only place you'll be able to find it, either online or in store. It's 80 premium acrylic and 20% wool. There are 65 yards here, 3.5 ounces, 60 meters or 100 grams. The color I have is called White Red. So it's on sale for $4.99, and that is for 65 yards. It's okay. It's okay. I know you can get an extra 20% off of that if you buy online to pick up in store, if your store has it. That's an okay price. I mean, it's doable. I like it enough that I would buy it again because I bought it last year, but these are the new ones, so I think it's very pretty. So I like that one. See the colors in that one? It's not really it's a 6, but it's not like super 6-y. It's like a thick 5, I guess. I have some more of these colors. They're probably in this box right here. So I'm gonna open it up and see. Oh, I see them. They're pretty. You know what I always say? I really love Christmas yarn. I ain't lying about that. I do. Christmas yarn is some of my favorite yarns. Okay, so there is this one, which is the winter also. And look at that. It's red and with some green in it. That is beautiful. Everything's the same on it. The color, oh, look at that. It's knitted up. That's beautiful. The color of this one is called green, or red, green, white. The names are kind of plain, but it's pretty yarn. It smells good. And then they had this one, which is also, these 3 right here are very similar to a yarn I already have. As I said, I'll show you. That one is beautiful. I love that gray with the green and the white. And this one is called, the color, gray green and white. What do you know? A little bit of red in there. Smells good. So I like that. I don't think it's a bad price. It's an all right price. Give me a second here. Just had to take a quick little peek and show you how this is kind of a little similar to King Cole Christmas Super Chunky. What do you think? Pretty similar. Yeah, maybe not quite, but pretty similar. They're both made in Turkey. But the King Cole, I got this at the Wool Warehouse, has a little more yardage, but it probably costs a little bit more, or maybe about the same. But yeah, that's pretty much the same. And as goes for the red, it does look like the Joann's might be a little bit thicker, but it's very similar. So I really won't need all these yarns. I have a gray one too, but it's not in this sack. Anyways, it's very similar to that. I just had to show you how close that was. Okay. Then they had a couple other new Christmas yarns that I had to get. I had to test them out. I have to show you. Ooh, this one's pretty. What is this one called? Ooh, sparkles. That's beautiful. They didn't have this one last year. Ooh, look at that worked up. That's beautiful. That's knitted. Big twist winner. So this one's 98 premium acrylic and 2% polyester. There's 88 yards in this one. So these are all labeled. These are all like the same, on the same page, but they do have different yardage, which is kind of strange, but whatever. They have other ones that have more yardage in them, but they were the same ones they had last year. But anyways, this is also a class of, oh, this one's classified as a bulky 5. And this one was a 6. To me, they're about the same size. But they're still, this one still is very pretty. At $4.99. 88 yards, 3.5 ounces, 81 meters, 100 grams. Made in Turkey. Smells clean. Feels good. That one's beautiful. And then they had that also. What am I going to make with that? I don't know, but it's pretty. They also had that one in a green. Ooh, I like that one a lot. That's pretty. I like the red, but the sparkles really show up a lot more in that green. Those are both really pretty. Did I tell you the color? This one was just called red. Let me guess. This one's probably called green. Oh, Green Hunter. That is pretty. Smells clean. Feels good. Scarfable. All these are scarfable. All these are beautiful. Look at that worked up on that knitting machine. That is beautiful, beautiful Christmas yarn. I really love Christmas yarn. So I like these. I do. And I like the ones that I had last year. If you look on their site, the ones that I didn't get are the ones that they had available last year, and I do have them here in a tote somewhere, so I didn't buy them again, but they were all nice too. I did an unboxing on them last year. So these were their new Christmas yarn colors that they had. I love them all. I did notice when I bought these that they were very similar to the King Cole, so one of them's gonna have to give. By give, I mean away and a giveaway eventually, because I can't keep it all. But I love these. I do love them both, but I think I'm more attracted to that green, even though I do really like red. I think it's because the green sparkle shows up a lot more. That's beautiful. I think that would make a beautiful winter scarf or something like that. Scarf and hat set. That's beautiful. I love that. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna move on. They had some more new yarns. More new yarns. Joann's had more new yarns. I waited and I waited until they became available. Ooh, that feels good. This is called Big Twist Shimmer. Look at that purple. I like that. That's a beautiful, beautiful purple. See that sparkle in that? Let's read about it. 99% premium acrylic and 2% polyester. It is very soft. Smells clean, super scarfable because it's the premium acrylic. The shimmer is 109 yards, 3.5 ounces, or 100 meters, or 100 grams. It's classified as a bulky number 6, super bulky number 6. So there's our super bulky 6. It's very pretty. I like that a lot. Machine wash, do not dry. I'm not certain really why, but the color I have in my hand, you would never guess the color of this. It's called purple. I'm just messing around. It is called purple, but I was just kidding about that. Okay, I'm going to tell you how much this cost because I don't want to keep you here all day. Okay, right now at the making of the video, this is on sale for $5.99. That's not a bad price. Did I even tell you what the yardage was? I did. 109 yards for a super bulky 6. It's on the thinner side of a 6, but it's still classified as a super bulky 6. I like it. I think it's very beautiful. And it's super soft and super sparkly. Very, very pretty. I like that. They had a lot of pretty colors, but some of them just were not available at the time that I bought them. So I did get the ones mostly that I wanted. They had this beautiful black one. I just don't normally buy black, but when there's black and sparkle, I love it. So this is a big twist shimmer. Isn't that pretty? Look at that sparkle. I like the look of it. It's so like, I don't know, how it has that gray mixed into it. That's beautiful. This one's called Black Gray. You know, that's a simple yet appropriate name. It's very pretty. I would definitely buy that again. I would. And I actually did buy enough of this color because I want to make something with it. Ooh, and I am not disappointed because brown, after all, is my favorite color. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Now that is some pretty yarn. I love that brown, and those sparkles show up really well in the shimmer yarn, and it is super soft because of that premium acrylic. You cannot feel them sparkles whatsoever. And it smells so clean. So this I have plans for already. So I did buy enough to make what I want to make with it. Secrets. Can't tell you. But the color of this one, hey, it's brown. And sometimes simple names are the best because that's what it is. It is a very beautiful, beautiful brown. This is my favorite color of all of them. They have other colors, but this one I just knew I had to get. I got 6 of these because I wanted to make something a little bigger. And like I said, they classified as super bulky 6, but to me it's more thicker 5 maybe. But still, nonetheless, it's a beautiful, beautiful yarn. This is my favorite of the lot so far, even over the Christmas yarns, even though I do adore those. This one's got me here. The big twist shimmer in that brown. And then I had another new yarn, but they only had a couple colors available at the time, so I got what I could. This is the last one of this lot. This is called Big Twist Fleck. That is very pretty. Let me tell you how much it is. If I remember right, it wasn't that much yarn. That's much money. Should have had this up already. I apologize, but there it is. So it's on sale at the making of the video for $3.99 a cake. And let's read about it. They had a rust that I wanted really bad, and they didn't have it in stock when I bought these. But guess what? They do now. I might have to pick that up while it's on sale still. So anyways, this is the Big Twist Fleck. It's not really got any fleck in it. It's more like 2 colors twined together, but it's still pretty. I like this color. It's 100% premium acrylic. Smells clean, scarfable, so it feels soft. 109 yards, 3.5 ounces, 100 meters, or 100 grams. Classified as a bulky 5. That's good. Bulky 5. Machine wash, do not dry. Not sure, again, I'm not really sure why. Color, this one is called color green blue. Very pretty. And at $3.99, I think on sale, it's on sale at $3.99. I think that's a fair price. Regular, it's $5.99. But I'm going to hit it up and get that rust after this video is over because I really wanted that one. And they have a really pretty purple too. But I'll probably just get the rust. Or really pretty red. Because $3.99 I think is a good price for this. And I think it's very beautiful. Like I said, it smells clean. It's scarfable. The yardage isn't bad for the price considering it's a bulky 5. $3.99 for 109 yards. Like it. So I'm not disappointed in any of this yarn that I got from Joann's. I love it all. This is very pretty. I do wish I could have got the rust, but I will get it because now it's available. It just wasn't at the time. So I love that. These shimmer yarns are absolutely gorgeous. I would highly recommend those. Like I said, they're super soft and super sparkly if you like sparkly yarns. I like their Christmas yarns a lot. These are very pretty. But I think the winner on their Christmas yarns for me is this green Big Twist Winter. That is beautiful. But I do love all the Christmas yarns. It's very sparkly and it's very pretty. Very soft. Everything is nice. But today's winner, I had a feeling it would be, is the Big Twist Shimmer in this brown. I cannot wait to get this on my hook. And I already know what it's going to be. I knew what it was going to be when I bought it. Sometimes I buy it, like most of the yarn, I don't know what it's going to be until the time comes. This, I knew what it was going to be, so I bought enough to make what I was going to make with it. So, I can't wait to get that tutorial on. Ooh, it's going to sparkle. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. New yarns from Joann's. They have a couple more new ones I'm still waiting on. But when they come, I'll show you. Because I love to talk yarn. And I love to talk it with my yarn friends from YouTube. So again, thank you all for watching. Keep a lookout for my next video, whatever that might be. And keep a lookout for whatever I make with that brown shimmer yarn. I'm so super excited to start that. It's just so soft and sparkly. And it's brown. And it smells clean. And it's scarfable. What more can you ask for in a yarn? Thanks everybody for watching, alright? I'll see you later. Stay safe everybody. Bye guys.